I am having to upload this to video because it won't allow me to share it on a video on my email. Here is the apartment flooding again. The roof is leaking all over the place. This is brand new, just happening now. You see the water coming down right now. 12:37 on Wednesday morning, coming all the way down and leaking into my floor area. Just a, oh, don't even get me started, mess. Just a mess. Now I'm gonna go upstairs, so I'm gonna document everything and let you know that I'm gonna go talk to the neighbors and let them know that the washing machine is overflowing again. We're going up to 34B, and we're going to let them know that it's overflowing once again into the apartment. Hello? It's Jamie from downstairs. Your washing machine is overflowing.